Hey there, in this video I'll show you how to pair your Sony XM4 Bluetooth headphones with your iPhone. We'll start off with the iPhone and we'll turn on Bluetooth. So go to settings, we have Bluetooth just here on the main menu and just toggle it on if it isn't already on. Next up, go back to the headphones and look underneath the left ear cup. We have two buttons there. One is power and the other custom. We want to press and hold the power button for around 7 to 10 seconds. So I'll press that now. It powers on. And it just said Bluetooth pairing. So let's have a look down the list of the iPhone's Bluetooth devices to see if it's found it. And here we have it at the bottom. It said Bluetooth connected, and you can see it has promoted it to this level here and it says connected. Now if you wish to disconnect the Bluetooth headphones, just click on the I and you can go to disconnect or forget this device. So I hope that's been useful. If it has, really appreciate a quick thumbs up, really does help me out a lot. Thank you very much for choosing my video and I wish you a great day ahead.